Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Uh, how are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Um, today, today we have lesson 13, and remember, in I think lesson number 10 we did fragment of idafa, and today we are going to do and idafa. You know, the fragment of idafa consists of two components, mudaf and mudaf ilayh. And then so regarding mudaf, we have this special lesson, special mudaf. So this is kind of a variant of fragment of idafa. So let's start our lesson. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattahu. So special mudaf, these are specific words in Arabic, and most of the time they come as mudaf. And the combination they make is fragment of idafa, but in translation it is not that of ownership, but it's the relationship between the two ism are that of relationship with respect to time or with respect to space, kind of related to each other, like qabla, before. So qabla means something happened before. It is related to time. Fawqa, above. Tahta, below. And ba'da, after. So these are some special mudaf. And when special mudaf make a fragment of idafa, they follow all the rules of mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So because they come as special as mudaf, so they don't take alif lam, no alif lam, and they are always light. However, in translation, we do not always use the word of, because it's not that of ownership, it's a combination of relationship. And this is the list of a special mudaf, and you can see like fawqa, something, fawqa means above, so it's a relationship of placement. Something is above something. An ism is above something. Amama, in front of. Bayyinah, in between two things. Tahta, under. Khalfa, behind. Hawla, around or surrounding something. Qabla, before. Qaddama, right in front of. In the, at something, in the masjidi, like for example, in the masjidi, so at the masjid. Sometimes it gives meaning of with, sometimes it gives a meaning of by. Ba'da, after. Wara'a, far behind or far beyond. Ma'a means with or in support of. And duna, sometimes it gives meaning of other than, sometimes less than, sometimes besides. And ladai, in the presence of. And min ladun, especially from. So these are special mudaf. And if you observe it closely, you'll see they have almost all of them. All of these, they have fatha at the end. So apparently they have fatha. So usually they end in fatha, but unless they are preceded by harf jar. So if like over here min ladun, then it's not fatha. So you will see inshallah a combination of harf jar and these words also, and another combination of these words with other ism. And these are also like these are also special mudaf, but these special mudaf do not denote time or place and can appear in any status. So they can kullun, ghayru, nafsu, ayyu, any, which one or any one, and badu, some of, and mislu, like. So these words also come as mudaf, but they do not denote time or place, and they can appear in any status. One thing I think I forgot to mention on the previous page, that these special mudaf on this page, the Arabic term for these special mudaf is zarf, because they denote relationship of time and place. So the Arabic term for these special mudaf is zarf. Okay. So here are some examples. Let's learn from these examples the concept of a special mudaf. Look, the first one on the right side, tahta sariri. So tahta is, we know, we just learned that it's a special mudaf. We don't see al before it because it's a mudaf, and we don't see, it's light, single fatha. And no alif lam, light, no alif lam, followed by jar, harf jar. Oh, sorry, not harf jar, followed by jar ism. So as-sariri is in jar status. And then we have ba'da salatil fajri. Ba'da is special mudaf, and then salati is mudaf ilayh, that's why it's a jar. But because it's again playing as mudaf, again it has dual role. This is mudaf ilayh for bada, but again it's a mudaf for al fajri. So mudaf and then mudaf ilayh. We have over here we have double fragment of idafa. So we have two combinations here. And then amam al masjidi. Amama means in front of, al masjidi. Al masjidi again jar. So this is mudaf ilayh, and amama is coming as mudaf. Fawq al ibadi, above the servants. Qabla al ta'ami, before the meal. Again, you can see that there's pata, and light. It's light, no alif lam, because it's coming. All these are coming as mudaf. And khalfa. Now, this example, khalfa al maktabi, behind the library. This word we have seen in Quran. In which surah? Surah Kahf. Baina saddaini, between the two walls. Wara'ihim, beyond them. Then again this word from Surah Kahf, ladunni, especially from me. And then ghaira al-Islami, other than Islam. Remember, this one is not zarf, because these special mudaf, They do not denote time or place. Ghaira, Ghairu, Kullu, Ayu, Nafsu, Ba'du, and Mislu. So this one is a special mudaf, but it's not zarf. And then Ayu Kitabin, which book? And which book? Again, a special mudaf. Indal Baiti, near the house. Indal Baiti, near the house, it's a placement. So this inda is zarf. Kullu shay'in, everything. So no mention of time or place. Kullu shay'in, everything. So this is a special mudaf, but it's not a zarf. Ba'duhum, some of them. Again, no, Badu doesn't say anything about time or place. It's just saying some of them. So denoting partiality. So that's no mention of time or place. So it's a special mudaf, but not zarf. Dunillahi, other than Allah. Again, it's a special mudaf. So here is the exercise. Inshallah, we are going to do this exercise in our interactive session. So if you have any question, you can ask me during interactive session. I hope, inshallah, you have learned this special mudaf in today's class. So inshallah, I will meet in the next lesson, lesson number 14. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.